Looking for a kitchen tool that can handle everything from roasting and frying to grilling and baking? Imagine having one pan that effortlessly tackles casseroles, stews, and one-dish meals with ease. The 16-inch electric skillet with a deluxe non-stick surface and a luxurious tempered glass cover promises just that: versatility and convenience in one sleek, low-profile design. Whether you're preparing breakfast, lunch, dinner, or hosting a buffet-style gathering, this skillet delivers consistent results without the hassle. What sets this skillet apart is its size and build. The generous 16-inch diameter and high sidewalls provide extra cooking and serving capacity, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. Unlike traditional stovetop burners or ovens, this heavy cast aluminum pan heats efficiently and resists warping, ensuring even cooking every time. Plus, the Control Master heat control automatically maintains your desired temperature, so you don't have to worry about food burning or uneven heat spots. The tempered glass cover and stay cool handle let you check on your meal without losing heat or risking burns. I've been using this electric skillet for a few months, and it's become a staple in my kitchen. From making Mexican rice to frying corn tortillas for tacos, the large cooking surface lets me prepare multiple items at once, saving time and effort. The nonstick coating has held up beautifully, especially since I stick to plastic and wooden utensils, and cleanup is a breeze. It's also fully immersible once the heat control is removed, making washing it even easier. My husband especially appreciates how much food we can cook at once, making this skillet perfect for casual dinners or entertaining friends. If you're tired of juggling multiple pots and pans or worrying about uneven cooking, this 16-inch electric skillet offers a reliable, all-in-one solution. Its combination of size, durability, and smart temperature control means you get perfectly cooked meals every time, with less fuss and cleanup. Worth a look if you want to simplify your kitchen routine without sacrificing quality or capacity. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your cooking experience and enjoy the convenience of a versatile, easy-to-use skillet.